Happy, happiness, happily. Same word but different forms. Why does English do this to us? Hi, I'm your favorite English teacher. Today, let's learn how to change words into different forms, so you can go from confused to confidence. Oops, I mean confident. Let's go. What is word formation? In English, one word can change depending on how we use it. Adjective describes something, happy. Noun, a thing or idea, happiness. Adverb tells how something happens, happily. Verb, the action, sometimes there's one, like to simplify from simple. Examples. Root word, act. Verb, to act. Noun, action. Adjective, active. Adverb, actively. Root word, create. Verb, to create. Noun, creation. Adjective, creative. Adverb, creatively. Knowing these forms helps you sound more fluent and helps in writing and exams. Common suffixes to remember. Ness, for nouns, kind, kindness. Schon, for nouns, inform, information. Iri, real, reality, curious, curiosity. Full, adjectives, care, careful. Less, adjectives, care, careless. Li, adverbs, quick, quickly. She's a happy girl. She smiled happily. Her happiness made everyone smile. One root, three uses, magic. He is very successful. She spoke calmly. They celebrated her achievement. You're crushing it. Word formation can feel tricky, but it's like Lego. Just connect the right pieces. Comment your favorite word family below. Like, create, creation, creative. Like, share, and subscribe for more magic word tips from my favorite English teacher. See you next time. Bye bye.